Let's take a look at how to change the default fonts and colors on our website. Not just the colors and fonts on the individual element level, but across the entire website. We need to do this at the WordPress level as a whole. So let's save our draft, then preview our website. In the WordPress admin bar, let's select Customize. Then let's look at our global settings, and we can start with typography. At the top, we have some presets that you can try, and you can revert them if you don't like them. So we might look at this one, and you can see how these are changing, but I might revert. Below, you can make changes to both the body font and the headings font within the base font, and all the heading type fonts within the heading font. So if I click this pencil, you can make changes to any of these here. And you can change the global colors in a similar way. So let's click back a menu up here and click colors. Like the typography, we have several global palettes to choose from. I could look at 2 or 3 or dark. As I cycle through these, you can see there's not much changing, at least in this area of our website, because it's heavily image-based. I'll stick with the default, but we can also change all of these individual colors as well. Below these theme colors, you can change the site background color, but I like to keep this as white. If we scroll back up and go back once again, we have similar options for buttons as well. So this is going to be a great place to make the changes to all of your buttons if there's a specific style that you don't want to have to duplicate over and over again on all the individual elements themselves. When you're happy, you can click Publish to apply all of your changes.